welcome back to our channel. So Glennie, Christmas is almost here, isn't it?
Yeah.
So we are done with our Christmas tree, we are done with our Christmas shopping. What else is missing?
Christmas cookies,
Yeah.
which we're doing now.
Yes. So we are going to do some sugar cookies, which are also called as Christmas cookies today. So let's get into the
Video!
right. If you haven't already,
Subscribe,
go ahead and hit that
subscribe button,
like
share,
and
comment.
let's get into the
Video.
So as I said, today we are going to make some Christmas cookies, sugar cookies. So for that I'll tell you what are the things we need to make the Christmas cookies. Okay. The first thing we need is obviously, what do we need? No. Flour. Okay. So this is a self-rising flour. So I'm not going to add any baking powder or baking soda to it because it's been already mixed in it. So this is a self-rising flour. Okay. So the second thing which we need is what?
Flour.
Flour is already said. So the second thing we need is
Flour.
sugar.
Sugar, yeah, that's my
Sugar,
favorite.
that's what makes what? The cookies sweet, isn't it?
Sugar and sprinkles make cookies.
Okay, so let me just say, okay, sprinkles, we need sprinkles, okay?
Okay, my favorite.
I know.
And sugar,
So what else do we need? We need some
butter,
butter.
Egg.
Softened butter, yeah? Softened butter.
egg,
Yes, we need some.
3 eggs.
We need some
3
egg
eggs.
icing.
We're gonna make some for Santa, some for us.
Okay. We need some measuring cups and we need a large
Bowl.
mixing bowl.
And the mix.
Yes, we need a mixer. Yeah, so we're gonna use a hand mixer today. So we need a mixer.
And the thing which you mix.
It's called a spatula.
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 Like
And
from SpongeBob SquarePants.
yes, that's right, from SpongeBob SquarePants. So the most important thing you need for making cookies is
This big bowl.
your cookie cutters.
Yeah!
So here we have some cookie cutters. So these are like Santa cookie cutters. Yeah.
Yeah.
So since we said what all we need for making the cookies,
You forgot the big bowl.
the big bowl is for mixing. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
That's okay. It's for mixing, right? So let's get into
The video!
yeah, the making of the
Video!
no, the making of the cookies. We are already making video, yeah? So the making of the cookies, yeah? Let's get into the video, okay? So first we are going to start off by mixing the sugar and the butter, yeah?
Yeah.
So first we are going to take some softened butter. See, this is room temperature softened butter.
Smells nice.
It smells nice.
Yeah.
Start off with mixing the butter and sugar. For that I'm going to add 1 cup of butter plus 1 cup of sugar. I'm going to beat them and then from there I'm going to take the process further. Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. So I've added some butter. Now I'm going to add 1 cup of sugar. Half. And another half makes what?
That looks like a desert with water everywhere.
You tell me, half plus half makes what? 1.
Okay. And that looks like an island with water around it.
Okay, so I've added some sugar and butter and I'm gonna mix them well. I'm gonna use a hand blender today.
It looks like a house tearing.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my god.
still granular, so you have to really beat it to get a very creamy consistency. So we still have to beat for another maybe another 5 more minutes.
Yeah.
5 more minutes. Okay, we are gonna go again. Yeah.
It's like drilling in dirt.
But this isn't dirt, right? This is food which you're supposed to eat. How can you compare this with dirt?
I mean the noise like it.
So I'm scraping the sides before adding the flour into the sugar and butter mixture. I think it's, see, this is the consistency it should be. One day it is fine, you know, it's Christmas, so you can have some sugar, it's fine. Rest of the days, no sugar.
Back to work.
So I'm gonna crack one egg into the sugar and butter mix.
Ready?
Crack, crack, crack.
You just have to crack it on glass.
That's okay, I've done it already. So that's done.
Is it inside?
Yeah, just mix it a little.
Yeah.
So these are the wet ingredients, right? After combining the wet ingredients, then we are going to go ahead and add what? What are we supposed to add after? Okay, we have used up butter, we have used up sugar, we have used up eggs. What else is pending? What else is missing?
Sprinkles.
Oh my god, this boy and sprinkles, I tell you. Flour. Don't you want to add some flour into it?
Oh yeah. I always think about sprinkles
I know. Okay, so
because it's my favorite.
of course it is. So I'm gonna add some secret ingredient, which is some vanilla extract. Instead of vanilla, if you don't like vanilla, you can also add some almond extract or whatever flavor which you like. But I find vanilla to be like, you know, it's very common. Everyone will like vanilla.
I like vanilla.
Right, so Glenn's favorite is vanilla, so I'm gonna add some vanilla extract. I'm adding around 1 tablespoon. There goes my 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract.
Oh, looks like water.
We have to mix it. That is done. So I'm gonna scrape the side.
Yeah, it's pretty easy scrape.
Yeah, so that is called what? Scraping the sides. So let me just show you guys. So this is how the butter, egg. So what's all in this? Butter, egg, sugar,
Flour.
vanilla. No, flour, we are egg too. So
Yeah.
now we are gonna go, okay,
They're all my favorites.
right. So now we are gonna go ahead and add some dry ingredients. So I added 1 cup of sugar and 1 cup of butter. For that I'm gonna add 3 cups of self-raising flour. So that is the measurement, yeah? 1, 1 and 3.
1, 1, and 3.
Yeah. Glenn, do you know we had some Christmas planet, this Christmas star this time?
Yeah.
That star appears once in every 800 years. Comment below if you guys saw this Christmas star. Unfortunately, we couldn't go to a planetarium and see the star. It appears once in every 800 years, it seems. It's a very special Christmas star.
And our star is gray.
Gray?
Yeah.
Which star are we talking about?
The star which we put it on the tree.
Oh, that is silver. It is not gray. It is
Oh.
silver. Okay, Glenny, last cup of flour. Do you want to do the honors?
Yes.
Go ahead and add it. Very good.
Before putting it inside, it looks like the forest.
The forest?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Which forest will be white, baby? Maybe it's a snowy forest.
Yeah, snowy forest.
Snowy forest, right? So finally our cookie is coming together.
It's already together.
Yeah, I'm kneading the dough and this has to be chilled for a minimum of 2 hours. Then we are gonna put it in a cling wrap, pop it in the freezer for 2 hours, and then we are gonna take it, cut it with a cookie cutter and then bake it. Yes, baby? So that is quite a wait. You gotta wait, okay?
2 hours like after dinner.
Yeah, after. Glenn, thank you for being such a
Good boy.
great help. You were a great help.
No, I'm a great help. The dough.
So I'm gonna pop the dough into the cling wrap
And wait for 2 hours.
and wait for 2 hours. That's right. And then we will roll it and cut them into a cookies.
Then keep it in the oven.
Mhm.
And then when it's done, put sprinkles and then eat it.
You and your sprinkles, I tell you.
So put the vanilla, then the sprinkles.
So I'm gonna pop the cookie dough in the fridge
No,
and
I'm
then
gonna pop it.
okay, so Glenn is gonna keep it inside the freezer for 2 hours and then we are gonna make the cookies, yeah?
Yeah.
Comment below who all loves to eat some raw cookie dough. Glenn loves to.
I eat the raw.
I know. I had a simple taste. I had a small taste. It was really good. So Glenn.
I don't have a raw taste. I don't know.
Thoda. So now we are gonna go into the second step of the cookie making, which is rolling
it.
the cookie dough.
Yeah. Right.
So the dough has been chilling in the freezer.
And it's so cold now.
It's so hard, isn't it? See how hard it is.
You can't
It's like
you can't even break it.
press it. You can't even press it. So this is how the cake dough should be before you go ahead and roll it, so that the butters are really cold, so that you can roll it properly, and the edges, while you're cutting the cookies, the edges are right. So that is why we are chilling the
Cookie?
cookie dough.
Let me
Yeah.
feel it. Oh my god, that's like so cold.
Yeah, right. So it's so cold, so I don't want you to touch it. Yeah.
Hashtag it's so cold.
Right. So let me go ahead and start rolling the
No, I roll
cookie
it.
dough. Yeah. First, let me start it, and then you can go ahead and cook. roll it,
Oh, you first have to cut. Yeah, cut it like in half.
So now go ahead and put a parchment paper and then you can roll it. That way it's easy.
Yeah. Squish it.
So Glenn, you want to go ahead and cut the cookie?
Wait.
Yeah.
Which one do you want? You want the Santa
Santa
hat? Okay, here, go ahead.
Okay.
See, you gotta hold it here and yeah, go on. Yeah, leave it, Mama will take it. Okay, so that is Glenn's Santa hat.
So we did 2 and now this is the 3rd one, which we did.
roll the dough half a centimeter in thickness. That is how a cookie will stay really good.
Yeah.
It will be crunchy at the same time, gooey in the center. So another tip I would like to share is take the cookie cutter, dip it in the flour. So that way is while you are cutting the cookie and taking it out, it's really easy. So I'm gonna do this.
Yeah.
So we have cut the cookies, Santa hat, Santa tummy and Santa boots. Everything has been cut, and now we are going to pop it in the oven 180 degrees for 9 to 10 minutes. Let's go! Glenn, you want to pop it in the oven?
Yes, ma'am.
Go ahead. Wait, it's a little hot, okay? So be careful.
Good, we have a double oven.
Okay, so that stays inside the oven for 180 degrees and for 10 minutes. Yeah? So once it is done, we have the
Sprinklers.
Okay, we'll decorate it, okay?
If when we decorate it, I'll eat it.
Okay. Along with the Santa cookies, I also baked some cookie donuts because it's Glenn's favorite. Every time we go to the Starbucks, he will buy some cookie donuts without fail. So being Christmas, I thought I'll bake some cookie donuts for him. The sugar cookies have come out really well. It was very yummy. It was so crunchy in the corners and so gooey in the middle. So cookies for Santa, for Glenn, for the whole family is ready. Merry Christmas guys and a very, very happy New Year. Don't forget to subscribe.